Hello, this is Ayako Sekiguchi from Burunesu Kitchen. This time's ingredient is this Komatsuna. Komatsuna is one of the most nutritious vegetables among all vegetables. It's especially good for bone health. It contains plenty of calcium and iron, and when you add Aburaage, it becomes the ultimate combination. In this video, I'll introduce two easy make-ahead dishes using Komatsuna and Aburaage, and also explain how to eat Komatsuna. Eat smart and save money. Please watch until the end to learn these nutritional tips. Komatsuna contains as much calcium as milk, and it also has nutrients that milk doesn't have. It is a vegetable that is exceptionally rich in iron and has outstanding nutritional value. It also has strong antioxidants and boosts the immune system. It contains beta-carotene, vitamin C, and B vitamins. It also has a balanced amount of micronutrients. It's truly the ultimate vegetable for health and beauty. If you add Aburaage to that, it becomes a very beneficial food combination. Just like Komatsuna, Aburaage is also rich in calcium and iron. The fats, proteins, and magnesium contained in Aburaage significantly increase the absorption rate of calcium and beta-carotene. That's because the calcium and iron found in vegetables are hard to absorb. I recommend combining it with soybean products. Here's a simple make-ahead recipe using Komatsuna and Aburaage. Komatsuna and Aburaage are also recommended as ingredients for miso soup. This time, you can enjoy different flavors with these two ingredients. I'll introduce two easy recipes. The first one is the classic make-ahead dish, simmered Komatsuna and Aburaage. Ingredients: Komatsuna, Aburaage, dashi powder, water, soy sauce, mirin, bonito flakes. Before washing the Komatsuna, cut off the root ends. The roots often have dirt in them, so separate them like this. Wash them thoroughly with water in this state. This is Komatsuna. I've washed it well. Cut into 4 cm pieces. We'll start by simmering the stems of the Komatsuna first, so please separate the leaves from the stems. Next, cut the Aburaage into thin strips. Komatsuna stems. Preparations are done. Let's make the broth now. This time, I'll use a deep frying pan, 1 cup of water, and then I'll add this dashi powder. This is a natural dashi fine powder, but it's perfectly fine to use instant dashi as well. I think you can also use dashi packs. This is really a fine powder, so it's just the raw ingredient. It dissolves smoothly as it is, so you can enjoy the natural flavor and all the nutrients of the dashi. It's also a seasoning. It's soy sauce and mirin. Here, we add Aburaage. The oil from the Aburaage and the fats contained in soybeans also contribute. Beta-carotene absorption from Komatsuna increases, especially in the stems. Yes, these are Komatsuna leaves. After that, once everything becomes tender, it's done. It's truly a simple and easy recipe. Once everything is tender and cooked through, it's done. Turn off the heat and let it sit until it cools down a bit. The flavors will blend together more and more. If you like, you can add some katsuobushi. Adding katsuobushi gives it a deeper, richer flavor. Next is Komatsuna and Aburaage and sesame dressing. Sesame seeds are also rich in calcium and iron, making this an even more powerful combination. Ingredients: Komatsuna, Aburaage, ground sesame seeds, mensuyu, mirin. Komatsuna, yes, just like before, I cut off the base and washed it thoroughly. I'll cut it into 4 cm pieces. I'll slice the fried tofu into strips as before. Yes, it's exactly the same process as before. Yes, I'll be making it in the frying pan again. Put it over high heat and dry fry the Aburaage. Aburaage already contains oil, you know. Keep toasting it like this until it becomes fragrant. Once the Aburaage is slightly dry fried, add the stems of the Komatsuna. Include the leafy parts too. Everything has softened, so now add the seasonings and sesame seeds. Make a small space at the edge of the pan like this. Lower the heat a little. This is hot water. Please use whatever you like. This is mirin. This is ground sesame. Yes, that's quite a lot. Now, we'll mix the seasonings and sesame here. And since moisture will also come out from the powdered tuna too. Yes, just like this, everything has become quite moist. Now, all that's left is to mix it together. Especially when it comes to cooking. You didn't use any oil, right? But sesame seeds also contain oil, so when combined with the oil from the fried tofu, it helps increase the absorption of beta-carotene. Yes, it's finished now. I've introduced 2 types of make-ahead dishes using only komatsuna and fried tofu. And now I'd like to tell you about their flavors. Please excuse me for standing. Well then, I'll start by tasting the simmered dish first. As expected, the classic dish is a safe choice. The umami of bonito has soaked deeply into the komatsuna and fried tofu, making it taste absolutely delicious. All right, next is the sesame dressing. This one has the rich flavor of sesame and just the right sweetness from mirin. Yeah. I think even kids would enjoy eating it. It really feels like a side dish you just can't stop eating. Is it really that irresistible? It really feels like a side dish you can't stop eating. As a way to help your body absorb more nutrients from komatsuna, I introduced a side dish made with fried tofu. This time, I used fried tofu. But komatsuna goes really well with other soybean products too. Tofu stir-fries are also recommended as a tip for making sure you absorb plenty of calcium and iron. If you're not sure how to cook komatsuna, this is a recipe you should definitely try. It keeps well in the refrigerator, so please try it as a side dish. Thank you for watching until the end. Well then, let's meet again in another video.